Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. This kind of menu will appear. Here at this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Cache Partition, and then confirm it by selecting Yes. After you see the message Cache Wipe Complete, you can select the first option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.